Today we are going to learn how to evaluate a function. Let f of x equals 2x squared plus 3 be our function and x is equal to 4. We are going to find what would be the value of the function when x is equal to 4. This is very easy, guys, because the only thing that we are going to do here is to substitute the value of x equals 4 into the function model and simplify it. So let's start with our solution. F of, instead of writing x, we're going to be writing now 4 equals 2x, or no longer x, but it's going to be 4 raised to the power of 2 plus 3. After substituting the value of x, we are just going to simplify the right side of the function. We have 4 raised to the power of 2, or 4 squared, is equal to 16, plus 3. Multiplying 2 by 16, we would have 32, plus 3. And 32 plus 3 is actually equal to 35. So in other words, the function value is equal to 35 when x is equal to 4. That's how easy it is. Let's take another example. When our function is equal to g of x 3x minus 2. And let's say our x is equal to -1. The same process, the same solution, however, it is going to be a different answer. So let's take a look at our solution process. G of, instead of writing x, we're going to be writing now -1 as our x. -1 equals 3 times -1 minus 2. Let us simplify the right side. 3 times -1 is actually -3. You copy -2. Combining like terms, you add the two numbers and copy the signs of the two numbers. We have -5. In conclusion, the value of the function g of x equals 3x minus 2 is equal to -5 when x is equal to -1. Thank you. Hi, this is going to be the same thing with evaluating a function. However, this is no longer an exact value of x. The value of x is represented by an expression. In this example that we have here, we have -1 plus h. Whatever terms that you see inside the parentheses, you should use that to replace the value of x in the original function. So let's start with our solution. F of -1 plus h equals 2 times -1 plus h squared plus 3. We are going to simplify the right side of the function. We're going to expand this -1 plus h raised to the power of 2 using the FOIL method. We would have 2 times 1 minus 2h plus h squared. I think I have a wrong answer. It should be, yep, that's correct. I think that's correct. Okay. Let's try to check out if our answer is correct. -1 plus h, -1 plus h. Let us do the FOIL method. -1 times -1, we have 1. -1 times h, we have -h. H times -1, we have -h. And h times h is h squared. Combining like terms, we have 1 minus 2h plus h squared. In other words, my answer was actually correct. And then don't forget you add 3. You then distribute the number 2, or the element 2, to the terms inside the parentheses. We have 2 minus 4h plus 2h squared plus 3. And then you can combine like terms. We have -4h plus 2h squared plus 5. Or you may rearrange the answer according to the degree of the term. We have 2h squared minus 4h plus 5. In other words, this is the value of the function when x is equal to negative 1 plus h. Thank you.